Out of 10 of the oyster recipes in a 1913 oyster cookbook, one stands out as the easiest and maybe the best place to start if you've never cooked oysters before. At the end, reveal the top pick out of 10. Number 1, oyster pan roast on toast. It's a simple and beginner-friendly recipe. It requires only light poaching and basic seasoning, making it approachable for anyone new to cooking oysters. It's also the most subtle in flavor, ideal for a light lunch or a brunch. But is it the easiest? 2. Oyster Casino is our showy and satisfying option. The combo of burgundy braised bacon and peppers, topped with mashed potatoes and cheese, is unexpected but decadent. It's a creative, visually interesting dish, perfect for parties or special gatherings, and it leans into bold flavor contrasts. Great for a stunning party bite. Number 3, broiled oysters au gratin is the most advanced. It involves precise broiling, handling delicate oysters with care, and coordinating timing to ensure they're juicy inside with a crispy, crumbed exterior. It's best for confident cooks or seafood lovers who enjoy hands-on techniques and serving impressive appetizers hot from the broiler. We're picking up steam with these next 3 recipes. Number 4, Yankee oyster pie. Yankee oyster pie feels a bit more meal-like. It's a cozy dish that combines a simple oyster stew with a biscuit topping, kind of like a seafood pot pie. It's perfect for chilly nights and small family dinners. It's slightly more work than the others because of the dough and layering, but it's not difficult, especially if you're comfortable making pies or use pre-made biscuit dough. Number 5. Oyster fritters are next in complexity. They require frying and some batter preparation, but the steps are straightforward. Each fritter contains 1 oyster inside a fluffy golden shell, and it's very customizable, great for adding herbs, spices, or even swapping the flour. Number 6, pigs in blanket is one of the easiest beginner-friendly recipes. It's just oysters wrapped in bacon, seasoned, and baked. Versions of it are still party staples today, and especially great for holiday spreads, potlucks, or cocktail parties. Minimal prep, minimal skill, maximum flavor. These are easy, but is there one that's even more foolproof? Now for the final 4, each one with a distinct vibe. Number 6, oysters à la Haitienne, or oysters old school, is easy for beginners. Simple seasoning, bacon, and a few minutes in the oven. It's fast and forgiving. Number 7, fried oyster supreme, is a bit quirkier thanks to its unexpected ketchup batter, which hints at the 1910s era. It's playful, nostalgic, and perfect if you like fried comfort foods. It's still fairly easy, though it requires frying, which adds a bit of mess and skill. Number 9, oysters à la Newburgh is the most advanced of the group. It involves careful temperature control, cream, sherry, and egg yolks. Easy to curdle if rushed. It's elegant and designed for special occasions, offering rich, sophisticated flavor. Number 10, baked oysters, hunter style, is versatile and slightly more involved, adding depth through shallots, mushrooms, and fresh herbs. It's great for serving a group and feels cozy-like in an early 1900s answer to a gratin or casserole. Subscribe for more vintage recipes. So which of the 10 recipes here wins for ease, speed, and beginner friendliness? It's right here on this very page. Oysters à la Haitienne. Oysters old school. Just season, bacon, bake. Bold, simple, and totally doable, even if you're just getting started with oysters.